Hey guys, this is Reggie, the Appliance Nerd, to give you another tip on how to fix your washer. Today we have a GE washer that overflows. So basically it fills all the way up to the top and it spills over. And I'm going to show you why that happens and how to fix it. Of course, as always, you know the drill. Subscribe below. If you need parts, new or used, fast shipping, click on my link below. That takes you directly to my website. Here you go. So, number one culprit of overflowing is your pressure tube. This is also can happen on Whirlpool washers, but this is um, more likely to happen on GEs just because how it's designed. So this is your pressure box, and this is the pressure tube. So what happens is your washer fills up with water and creates air pressure in this box. And as the air pressure builds up, it sends the air pressure through this tube all the way to your pressure switch that's behind the head over here. So, what's the issue? This thing is clogged up with like soap flakes, pet dander, and all kind of other disgusting things. Now you see it's completely black. It's supposed to be clear like that. There's a little mold on the outside of it. That's not a big deal, but it's the inside we're worried about. So, because the inside is clogged, the air can't pass through, and if the air can't pass through, that pressure switch does not get triggered, and it doesn't think the washer is full. Once that pressure switch is triggered, it stops the flow of water. So, how do you fix this? First thing I usually do is take a piece of wire or pipe cleaner, and you can push it down through that hole and clean it out. Also, in this part here, you want to clean out a little bit too. A quick, easy way to do it is, if you notice, there's a lot of excess here. Excuse me. So basically, what I do, I just cut it. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. Alright, there we go. Cut it. Need a pair of scissors. One second. Sorry guys, I've been getting dizzy trying to operate this and hold the camera. There we go. Alright. Sorry about that. My finger in the way. There we go. So you want to make sure it's a nice flush cut. Now you're free and clear, and guess what? It's still enough room for it to fit. Just working on there. You can actually put a little bit of soap around the male part of this, and it should slide right on. And always check to make sure you still have room for the tub to move around without yanking this thing out. And you have these little clamps here that the hose goes onto. And what that does is, it's actually very key, because that'll help keep this from smacking against the side. Because you'll hear it spinning, and you hear it, that will just annoy the crap out of you. You hear that thing just smack against the side. So also it'll end up working that thing out of there. So yeah, remember to fasten that and make sure you got enough slack on there. Or if not, you can go to my website, and I actually sell these hoses, and I have it shipped directly to you, the whole hose, and you just basically just take it off and detach it from the pressure hose, the pressure switch. That's it. That's another video. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, and I try to respond within 24 hours. Thanks.